पार्वती से बोले मैं भी चलूंगा तेरे संग में राधा संग श्याम नाचे मैं भी नचूंगा तेरे संग में लगा के बिंदिया पहन के साड़ी चाल चले मतवाली वृंदावन आ गए पार्वती भी मना के हारी ना माने त्रिपुरारी रास में आ गए रास में आ गए एक दिन वो बोले भंडारी बन के ब्रज की नारी रास में आ गए रास में आ गए ऐसा बना दो मुझको कोई न जाने इस राज को ऐसा बना दो मुझको कोई न जाने इस राज को मैं हूँ सहेली तेरी ऐसा बताना ब्रजराज को लगा के बिंदिया पहन के साड़ी चाल चले मतवाली वृंदावन आ गए एक दिन वो बोले भंडारी बन के ब्रज की नारी रास में आ गए पार्वती भी मना के हारी ना माने त्रिपुरारी रास में आ गए देखा मोहन ने तो समझ गए सारी बात को
When Lord Krishna performed Maharasa at Bansivat in Vrindavan, Lord Shiva came here to see the Maharasa. When the melodious voice of the flute reached at Kailash, Lord Shiva awoke in his samadhi. And Parvati ji, the wife, asked him, "Where are you going?" "And I am going to Vrindavan. Lord Krishna is performing the Maharaj and I want to see him. And I will also accompany with you." "No, all right, come on." Both came here. Parvati ji entered in the Maharaj. The gatekeeper were the Gopikas, maiden. Gopikas told Lord Shiva, "Baba, you are not allowed. Men are not allowed in Maharaj. Only the ladies are allowed in the Maharaj. So you cannot see the Maharaj." Lord Shiva told, "My wife entered in the Maharaj. I want to see you." "No, your wife can enter. Even our husband cannot enter in the Maharaj. So you cannot see the Maharaj. Only please let me know the way. How can I see the Maharaj?" "Baba, you make up your lady, then you can enter." "All right." Lord Shiva went to the Yamuna river and requested the Yamuna, "You please give me the dress. I want to see the Maharaj." Yamuna river gave all the dress. Lord Shiva weared the dress and entered the Maharaj. When Lord Krishna began to dance with the gopis, one gopi, one Krishna, one gopi, one Krishna, and seeing the dance of Lord Krishna and the Gopikas, Lord Shiva also began to dance because Lord Shiva is the master of Tandava Nitya. He began to dance and he forgot that he is wearing the sari. The sari fell down from his head and the sari began to dance here and the hair began to dance on his head. Lord Krishna saw, who is this lady wearing the sari and the hair is well dressed. Oh, Lord Krishna recognized that he is Lord Shiva. Then he left the Radhika Rani and the Gopikas went where Lord Shiva was dancing. And he, Lord Krishna, embraced the Lord Shiva. Welcome Gopishwaram. Come. Radharani became angry. Who is this lady? And Lord Krishna embraced her. She went to the crossing the river of Yamuna, Mansarovar, and began to weep. Lord Krishna, why are you weeping? Radharani told that you insulted me. I am the Gopishwara. You called another lady Gopishwara. I am the Gopishwara. And you love me. And you are embracing the another lady. You are very mischievous. I will not love you. You love me. And you are embracing in the another lady. You are mischievous. You go and dance with her. Lord Krishna told, no. You also dance and I will also dance. She is not a lady. She is not a gopi. He is Lord Shiva. Come on. Then Radharani came here and saw, oh, Lord Shiva, you became lady and you became makeup as a lady. Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, Narad also came here and they became makeup as a lady and you were, no, like, why? When I want to see your Maharaj. Then you ask any boon. What do you want? I don't want to go Kailash. I don't want to go Kashi. You will dance here daily, I will dance with you. All right, sit down. Then Lord Shiva came out from the earth and this idol was installed by Lord Krishna and the Radharani and Gopikas and worshipped by the Lord Krishna and the Radharani and named as Gopishwara Mahadev. And boom, that everybody who will come in Vrindavan until and until when he will not see you, yatra will not be successful. And nobody can enter in my heart until you will not permit it. You first permit me, then he can. All right. This idol was installed by Lord Krishna and this idol is 5,000 years ancient idol. Only the Yamuna and Devi, this is the main thing. And the Parvati is also sitting outside the gate door. Lord Shiva told the Parvati asked, what? It is not the duty of a wife that you came here from Kailash to Vrindavan with me and you living outside the gate and you entered the Maharaj. This is not the duty of you and you please sit here because I will making up as a Gopi, I will sit as a Gopishwar. Who will recognize that he is Gopishwar or the Lord Parvati? You please sit down outside. Then the Parvati is also sitting outside the gate and Ganesh is also there and Ganesh is asking his mother, where is my father? Because father became lady, because father became Gopi. This is the one thing. This is the history of the Dhamma.
Oh बहुत प्यार करते हैं उनको सनम। त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। आ गए, रास में आ गए। पार्वती भी मना के हारी, ना माने त्रिपुरारी रास में। पार्वती से बोले मैं भी चलूंगा तेरे संग में, तेरे संग में। लगा के विद्या पहन के साड़ी, चाल चले मतवाली वृंदावन आ गए, वृंदावन आ गए। पार्वती भी मना के हारी, ना माने त्रिपुरारी रास में। ऐसा बना दो मुझको, कोई न जाने इस राज को, इस मैं हूँ सहेली तेरी, ऐसा बताना ब्रजराज को, ब्रजराज को। पार्वती भी